Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start with essentials. Gear up and bring the recorder into the home quickly. Once in the room, find a stable spot 3 to 5 meters from the ghost's likely location and set the device down. Make sure to avoid doorways and vents that add noise. Turn the recorder on, then ask direct yes/no questions loud and clear. This reduces ambient ambiguity. Wait 60 to 90 seconds per take so you capture any delayed responses. This method gives you clean audio for later analysis. Once done with the first take, continue by using short, distinct prompts and pausing 3 to 5 seconds between questions. That spacing helps isolate replies. Make sure to watch EMF and temperature tools while the recorder runs so you can correlate spikes with audio events. If you don't hear responses after 3 attempts, pick up and relocate the device slightly. Moving 5 to 8 feet often reveals activity. Repeat the process while keeping notes. Consistent method makes pattern recognition far easier. You finish by reviewing recordings in a quiet space with headphones so subtle replies stand out. Once done, amplify selectively and listen for syllables or breaths. This is why clean placement matters. Make sure to label each take with location, time, and EMF/temperature readings for later cross-reference. If you find silence, check the recorder's battery and gain settings and reduce background noise from fans or squad chat. If problems persist, retrace steps and try another position to rule out interference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.